Okay, so I'm going to correct the color on this old photograph. It's a photograph of my mom and my stepdad getting married in 1979, I think it was. And so this is a really simple method that uses levels. And so you can just go straight into levels if you want to command L and adjust the levels that way. But I prefer generally to work by using the layers palette and creating an adjustment layer with levels. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into the individual channels, and we're going to take these sliders on either side of each color channel, just the histogram. So see how we've lined up the black aligns here with the edge of this mountain, and the same with the white. And the thing to do though here is just trust me, or actually you'll just see this and then you'll believe me. But a lot of the times this almost always works for faded photographs, and it will look really strange until you do the last channel. So we're going to just adjust here. All right, see, and so look at that. It looks like absolute and utter bleep. Okay, but when we go to the blue channel, just go in and move this in, slide this over here, and voila, the colors look pretty natural. This is, of course, a print from a color negative film that's been sitting on a wall for the last 40 years or whatever. But so here we go. So there's actual whites and fairly normal looking colors. So we can, since we did this with the layers adjustment, we can just toggle on and off too. So before and after. And so there we go.
Grab your cameras, we about to go insane. Lensbusters in the house, we breaking all the chains. And a lot of photography, we're bringing it back with manuals and how to videos. Yo, we got the knack, breaking lenses for fun, we're playing safe. Lensbusters.com, we gon' leave a mark and trace. We click, we shoot, capture the perfect shot. Lensbusters.